Hello friends, hope you are doing great. Today I will tell you how could Pi network make you rich. So start your video. Unlikely for us. The question is where do you do not already launch in blockchain and the exchange. There are travel engineering talks you have two theories. They may you waiting for the user base the rich enough scale so they can generate value of advertisement. However, we are skeptical and the large advertiser will show ads in the network where user log in to make money by seeing ads. The concept is not new. Such websites existed since the early days of internet. However, none of them reached mass adoption. This is because it's the more valuable for advertisers and advertise the website which are used since they provides some value of the user concepting with friends, as some comment like Jennifer Vanessa Kaiser highlight the founding team may be considered that the once the coin is published on the exchange, there would be a selling frenzy. Then the coin would not be valuable enough the people to keep on the logging in the click. Dream your better motivators than actual value. In short, your coins can be worth some value, but don't get you hopes up. So, are there are free apps that pay user? Yes, the Brave browser replaces ads on website with its own ads and share the value with the user. There are also other free to us apps, but none of them currently provides our tradable coins for free. B network. It is a clone of the Pi network concept with even less transparency. Just keep it useless. You like providing data to anonymous people for more. Feel free to read why we think it is likely be a dangerous scam. Electronium ETN. Pi network as a concept is a clone of ETN without a tradable coin. However, ETN launched its coin and exchange and has been tradable since 2017. However, it's not longer provide free coins. Feel free to read about it's how Pi network could develop. We got attacked after publish this. As maintained before, we are a B2B business or nothing hostily even happens us except a few poor attempts on copying and content which are deleted successfully. However, for the first time, someone who a domain name to look similar to our and mirror entries website about a month after the publish this article. This was incompetent and unethical. Now the mirror website is down, but you can see a screenshot below. We don't know who it, but we know that it must have been a reaction to what we wrote here. You can see now the images. So what should you do? I would not bother installing the app. You can always make the argument that you only lose time by giving the app a try. However, the belief to following any dishonest acts and promise feature value. There is no security of empty promise in the world. We try to spend our time more carefully. However, if you already have the app, you can wait to see the founders actually built a cryptocurrency. Finally, if you can came across the because you are looking for a ways to become wealthy without putting significant effort, we recommend you to look for other ways. As Buddha said, over mere existence is suffering. As a Karl Marx is claimed have to have said, life is struggle. We don't see shortcut, but consist effort by flexible and other minds trend of pay. Instead of such scheme, you could look into learning new skill which trend to pay off better. Also, we do not cover many such topics, but feel free to follow. What does the Pi Network team about say? Nothing until now. We asked for a comment via their contact for us from. How can contribute to the discussion?